Hey guys, David with Binary Masterclass here. I just wanted to pop in for a minute in between some of the live trading videos we've been posting and just talk to you real quick about the week we've been having trading so far. It's Wednesday, March 14th, and gosh, what a great start to the week we've had. In our first 3 trading sessions of the week, my account is up 170% or $12,000. I started the week at $5,000 and I finished today at over $15,000, and that is after having taken $2,000 off of the table yesterday. And this isn't doing anything crazy, guys. This is just trading the strategy that we teach every day, that we trade every day. No crazy trades, no big, huge entries, just regular, good, consistent, in the trenches, trading, following the strategy, following the rules, making the money that we make all the time. And I wanted to just encourage you guys to join us here in the trading room where we trade at 6 a.m. Pacific time, Monday through Friday, and our advanced members or our premier members get access to the extended session, which starts about 45 minutes earlier, where we actually trade a little bit more of an aggressive style and we generally see much better returns. But either way, we would love to invite you into the trading room. Visit us at binarymasterclass.com. Like the video here, subscribe to our channel so you can see the daily videos that we post of what we're doing all of the time. This isn't a fluke. This isn't a one-hit wonder. We are teaching you how to make money consistently every day, and that's what we want to teach you. Whether you want to make $500 a day extra, $100 a day, 1,000 plus, we can teach you how to make money consistently. And right now you can get in for only $49 per month. We've temporarily discounted our pricing to make room for more people in the trading room, and we would like you to be in with us making money. So subscribe to the channel, visit us, binarymasterclass.com, click the link in the description below, and we will see you in the trading room.